Hey there! In this video, we will walk you through how to live stream using SRT, a fast, secure, and reliable low-latency protocol that's great for unstable networks. First, make sure you've signed up on FastPix. Once you're in, head to your dashboard. This is your control center for managing all your live streams. Next, in Step 2, let's generate your API access token. Head over to the Settings section, click on Access Tokens, and then hit Generate New Token. Give your token a name, select the right permissions, like video read and write, and you're good to go. You'll now have your access token and secret key, which you'll use to authenticate your API requests. Now let's create a new live stream. All you need to do is send a simple post request to our Create Stream endpoint. Get the access token ID and secret key that you generated previously and put in the request for basic authentication. In the request body, you can include things like access policy, max resolution, and other stream settings. Once the stream is created successfully, you'll get a response with your stream ID and SRT secret key. You can use these details directly from the response or head back to your dashboard, and you'll see your stream listed there with the status set to idle. That means it's ready to receive your broadcast. Now in Step 4, open any broadcasting tool you prefer. If you're using OBS, go to Settings, then the Stream section. Set the service to Custom, then copy the stream key from your dashboard and paste in the stream key field. Now to add the SRT server URL, you would need to first construct the URL using the SRT secret key and stream ID from your dashboard or API response. Take the values and use them to construct the URL. You can now go back to OBS and place this URL in the server field. Apply the settings and continue. Next, add a media source in OBS. This could be a camera input or a pre-recorded video from your computer. Choose the video you want to stream and hit OK. Now click Start Streaming. Alright, now the last step for you is to jump back to your FastPix dashboard, and you'll see the stream status change from preparing to active. That means your stream is now live. But playback of SRT streams is complex compared to the RTMPS protocol. First, you need to construct the playback URL in this format. Go back to your API response and look for the values under SRT playback response. Use these values to create the playback URL, replacing the playback stream ID and the SRT playback secret. You can now view the stream using this URL. Open up VLC Media Player and go to Open Network Settings to enter the playback URL to start watching your live stream. Alright, now, let's say you want to integrate SRT playback into your application, then you can use FFmpeg. Simply open up your terminal and use the fplay command. It instantly processes and starts showing your SRT live stream. And that's it. You've just launched your SRT live stream with FastPix. From here, you can customize, scale, and deliver high-quality live content wherever your audience is.